What are you expecting out of OPEC in November?
Well, I don't want to add to speculation and rumour because, quite frankly, it's up to OPEC to decide what strategy they adopt. Their target by having their output cuts has been to rebalance the market, and that is happening gradually and slowly, perhaps a little more slowly than they might have liked and perhaps a little more slowly than most people expected. But it is happening, and any decision to deepen or extend the current output cut agreement is for them, and we'll have to wait and see what they do.
Right, but Neil, at the moment, right, if you look at your estimates for 2018, I guess the assumption is that you say that at current production levels, OPEC won't manage to reduce inventories next year, which would mean that actually if they want to have an impact on the market, they would have to extend or cut further.
Well, bear in mind that you're quoting from the report, which is the snapshot taken as of the middle of September. And a great deal will happen on both sides of the supply-demand balance as we move through the rest of 2017. But yes, you're right to say that if OPEC were, as a scenario, not a forecast, to maintain its current level of production throughout the rest of 17 and indeed through 18, then yes, stocks at the moment would not fall dramatically. But that will change. It's not going to be that picture necessarily, and we'll just have to wait and see how the market develops. And the fact that demand growth, as you said at the very beginning, has been revised upwards, and it's not the first time we've revised it upwards, that perhaps indicates that the economic position is improving in some of the European economies. The US is quite strong. So we could see more upside to demand, which will, of course, change the picture as far as the balance goes.